Most people are working way too hard for way too little. What if I told you there's a controversial, some might even say lazy, AI method that's helping complete beginners pull in $100 a day right now in 2026? The best part? You don't need any coding skills, and you don't need a budget to get started. Stick with me, because in this video, I'm breaking down the entire process, step by step. First things first, what is AI dropshipping? Forget the old way of spending hours searching for products. We're going to use AI to do the heavy lifting. Our first step is product research, but with a twist. We'll use a specific AI tool I'll share, which one in a moment, to analyze social media trends, search data, and competitor sales. We're not just looking for popular products. We're looking for hidden gems with high profit margins and low competition that AI can spot in seconds. The prompt you'll use is crucial. Something like, identify 5 trending consumer gadgets with a potential retail price under $50 and high. Engagement on TikTok in the last 7 days. We're going to leverage free platforms. Think Facebook Marketplace, TikTok Shop, or even Instagram DMs. The key is to create a simple, effective listing. This is where AI comes in again. Step 2 is using an AI copywriter like ChatGPT or a similar tool to create your product description. You can use AI to add captions, voiceovers, and trending music to make your content go viral. This makes your free listing look like $1 million brand. Remember, people buy with their eyes, and AI is your secret weapon to create stunning visuals for free. Now for the part that ties it all together: automation. When an order comes in, you're not going to manually type in customer details. We're using a simple AI-powered workflow. Step 4 is setting up an automation that takes the customer's order from, say, a Google form linked in your social media bio, and formats it to be sent directly to your supplier. It's about working smarter, not harder. This is the blueprint that beginners are using to hit that $100 a day mark in 2026. It's not magic. It's just leveraging the incredible power of AI. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to see more ways to use AI to build your online income, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.